Fucking harder than Satan's asshole.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
Harder than Satan's asshole.
So before we hit into Sick to Rock,
Oh, you were recording?
we decided.
No.
Yeah, we're recording.
Oh.
What's up, everybody? I am back, new and improved.
Fucking Rasta Lion.
Rasta Lion.
Rasta Lion.
Anyways, we are at Sandy's right now because we were supposed to take a whole bunch of nice pics with our cars and trucks and everything like that, but the lighting over here is not that good, and that's proven right here. My boy's holding a light up for me just to take this video. So what we're gonna be doing is heading over to Ala Moana. We're gonna be freaking taking some nice ass pics, and I want to show off my new truck, okay? Like, oh, I just love it. I just love it. Everybody else loves it. So let's freaking go over there. I'll see you guys over there, okay? All right, so we made it finally to Ala Moana, and I don't care about my friends laughing because you already know that this is a cringy freaking channel, okay? Everything is cringy about me, and I don't freaking care. That's what's funny, right? So we're gonna take some nice ass pics, and I just want to show you, like, look at this. This is clean. This is clean right here. All of our cars except for Bryce. He doesn't want to freaking set up his car there because it's not how you're supposed to do it. It's illegal.
Fuck the Civic.
I know, right? Fuck the Civic. All right, so we got Bryce in here set up the freaking camera. How's it look on there? How's it look?
Bro, that looks saucy as fuck.
Bro, that looks so fucking. Now Bryce is feeling excluded just because he's taking pictures, so now he decides to put the freaking Civic in.
Bryce, what the fuck? Yeah.
What is that?
No.
No, Bryce, wait, hold up. Look how you're dressed, okay? You're dressed like a freaking film producer or cameraman. Stay as that, okay? Stay as.
So this is my boy Bryce, and he's a real fucking pain in my ass sometimes, but I want to give this moment to give him a shout out because he started his own vlogging channel, or video diary as he says it. I'll leave his link in the description, but the next few clips is showing how he's a pain in my ass by always trying to be in my vlog and always messing it up.
So the pictures came out super freaking smooth, bro. Like they were saucy. Thank you for that. Thank you, cameraman. Just wants to be in my vlog so badly. No.
Oh, film you. That's more professional. That is true.
This is my favorite part, right here.
Well, I mean, it's sick.
This has terrible lighting, dude. Terrible lighting.
I want it foreground. No, see, it's better. Stop filming yourself.
It turned off.
Came out no, it's just the screen's off. It's recording.
Okay.
It's kind of hard when you're actually just facing the whole thing downwards.
Why is it set up like
that
this?
Whole thing was...
Can I adjust it?
Yeah, yes. Come on, cameraman. No.
Now you're recording the whole thing.
The whole thing was freaking lost because of this stupid man. You're fired. You're fired. Wait, what are you gonna do better? Hold what?
The camera better.
I can't hear you.
I'll hold the camera better.
Okay.
How am I doing?
The photo shoot came out super well. I mean, look at this setup. The freaking truck's amazing. Freaking, we were matching with our trucks like perfectly, bro. So we're gonna go get something to eat because we all hungry. We're gonna go freaking eat at Sick, and we're gonna get all full. So before we go to Sick to Rock, we just wanted to kick it just back inside Bryce's car, like how we used to do in high school.
You guys want to be hoes and get an AC? Dog, shut up. Bro, you guys were hogging all the fucking AC. Okay, well, do you feel it now? Yes, thank you very much.
Do you feel it now, Mr. Krabs? Bryce, he was just with his chick the whole time. That's why he was never
I did what you do for basically a living.
Thing over
How's
here.
this, bro? Hey, he works at a movie theater, yeah? He makes popcorn, right? Listen, it's popcorn,
He
right?
burnt the fucking popcorn
This
last
bitch
night, dude.
burnt the fucking popcorn.
How?
last
It's
night.
pre-made. The fucking I work fucking button, man. You here for
Exactly,
it?
bro.
It's the same thing.
Stuart,
We
you're
trained.
talking about when we were all at my house last night, and then like how I had to make homemade
Okay,
popcorn.
You listen for the kernels to stop popping.
Yeah,
and then,
right when I heard the last kernel pop, and it was like 2
Why
seconds.
are you going for the last kernel?
It was like 2 seconds of silence.
Bro,
and then it
we
took
have
off.
leftovers. We have like the technology to take it out.
But who cares? Oh, you guys are still smacking on them, bro.
Yeah, because that was the only food. That was the only food there.
I know I had like animal crackers.
No, you didn't offer
I had
that.
snow
us.
cats
This
Because
was the
you
first
guys
time
were
we was
happy with the
hearing it.
popcorn.
This was the first time we was hearing about it.
You were happy with the popcorn. So it's finally made it to Six Rock. And look, we're already starting. Boom, got all our plates and everything like that. What are the squirt that in my mouth?
1 out of 10.
What is that?
1 out of 10.
No, but what is it?
It's like sauce.
It's like sauce? No, that's like straight vinegar.
Yeah, it's like vinegar.
Bro, that's so bad. That's straight vinegar. What, 1 out of 10?
1 out of 10.
1 out of 10.
Okay, ready.
Ready.
1, 2, 3.
3.
The glorious house of gains ready.
Good, right there. Yeah, okay, I gotta slurp them. I turn down what he are. Oh wait, but if I go like this, it's gonna pour into the next one.
You're an idiot for doing it. You're an idiot for doing that, though. Listen, dude, look at this.
Shots fired. I am the man, no, I ain't aim for no crown. But when you mention them, no, don't leave me out. No, I ain't too flawless, and no, I ain't the best, and no, I don't say sorry, and no, I ain't perfect, but I am the man. I am the man.
Almost still doing the work.
Shots fired.
Blend it.
And Dylan left his GoPro camera inside my car.